Good morning, guys. We are at Central Bus Station in Tbilisi, in Yerevan, not Tbilisi, Yerevan, Armenia. And we are heading for Tbilisi today. That's why I'm confused. And it's early morning. I'm on my first coffee. So that's good. It was very easy. Just go to bus station. You go on this side of, you come in here. Then you just go on this side of the building, and they will help you, asking you where you're going and show you the office where you buy a ticket for the bus. Excellent. Great service. Well done, Armenia. And then we got up to buy a cup of coffee. I got a nice piece of Armenian chocolate as a present. Excellent. Amazing Armenia. Now we are inside the bus station. It's a nice old building. Could be maintained a little bit better, but building itself looks very nice. You can get coffee here. Some more tickets. Casa. I guess there's toilets in here as well, I don't know. No smoking, no camera. Okay. Yeah, time for departure. Very nice minivan. It's a bit dark in here, but I can show you later when we get a pit stop. Yeah. Lovely start on a day. Yeah, off we go to Tbilisi, Georgia. Georgia. Totally stuffed, this bus. 18 times 8,000 drums. That's good business. Goodbye, amazing Armenia. Nice temperature here in the morning in Yerevan as well. I think we have something like 18-20 degrees for morning. Lovely. Yeah, we have a nice trip ahead of us. Excellent. Up to Gledani in Tbilisi, to the little bungalow I have rented 2 times before. I think it's something like $12–13 per night. Excellent place. Nice little mountain top here. beautiful view. Yeah. We are having a little pit stop, 15 minutes. I haven't been here before. Beautiful reach. Beautiful mountain tops. It looks like a mining factory or mining plant. It's beautiful.
You can't see if it's open or closed.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's shut down. Beautiful mountain tops. It looks like something from moon or something. Yeah, we are approaching border crossing. Hopefully. It's been a wonderful drive in the mountains. Now it's time for passport. Check out and check in. Yeah, here we are. Excellent.
Tror de skal se noget?
Yeah. Yeah, we went smooth and easy through checkout, and it's always smooth and easy check in Georgia. I really like these two countries here. I really like it. Welcome to Georgia's Georgia. Gorgeous Georgia. I'm back home. Excellent. Excellent. I think 2 hours drive left, and then we are in central Tbilisi, and then game over for today. Just relax then. Excellent. Yeah, arrived in Tbilisi. Lovely travel, lovely weather, lovely Georgia. I hope you liked the travel video. It's time for coffee now. If you did like the video, please like and subscribe. It's free. Wish you all a good day. Signing off.